Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, I'm going to begin by showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features of this 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Presented in black sapphire metallic, we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is the stunning ferric grey 20-inch 795 M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate. It does also include the very nice angel eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside our satin sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, along with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Moving on for a glance at the interior, the car comes with the very nice black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric movement and memory for driver's side. You'll see the interior trim is finished in the aluminum hexagon and high gloss black, and of course, being that 435D, does also have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox along with BMW's fantastic xDrive 4-wheel drive. Moving on to show you the rear seats now, where again you'll find that lovely black Dakota leather with a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, sensor folding armrest, and of course that darkened M Sport headlining, all looking fantastically well. Before heading towards the rear of the car, again just wanted to show you how well these alloys do sit on the 4 Series, especially in that finish. Moving towards the rear of the car, again you'll see there that we've added a high gloss rear spoiler and matching diffuser. And I'll open up the boots just so you can see how large the capacity is for the Gran Coupe if you've not yet seen one. Alongside a large boot, you can also split fold the seats along with removing both parcel shelves to of course aid in making more room. At the other side of the car, again I can present to you that this vehicle is in fantastic condition, and that black sapphire metallic working very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. Moving on to show you the interior in a bit more detail, we're greeted immediately by the very nice professional wide navigation and media screen. And I'll start the car up and just run you through a couple of the features of that. Starting of course with the navigation, we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs, as well as of course Bluetooth audio and telephone. And if I go back to the very main menu, you'll see there that it's got these very nice separated little sub menus, making things that little bit nicer on the eye and of course a bit more user friendly. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls along with where our switches are situated for the heated seats. This 435D is completed just over 36,000 miles, so again a nice low mileage example. On our multifunction M Sport steering wheel we find that the paddles for our 8-speed along with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. And if I go into my vehicle, you can see there that all of the service requirements are all highlighted in green, and the next service isn't due until 15,000 miles time. And up at the top is the service history, which again, as you can see, is all full BMW service history, which is a great peace of mind to have. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video of another stunning 435D M Sport Gran Coupe we have here for you at Your Next Car. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. For further information, remember in the description there's a link to our website, where as always you can find more information on all of the cars along with funding options and prices. If not, there is of course always direct contact details as well in the description. Thank you guys, take care, see you soon, bye bye.